In this video, we will go over how to send trips, export PDFs, access the mobile apps, and how to use the collaboration features. When you're ready to go ahead and send a trip off to a client, there are a few ways that you can do this in Travefy. You can select the trip that you are working on, and by clicking into an individual itinerary or a proposal, you'll have a send option up on the right-hand side. By selecting send, you'll get two options right from within here. You can select get itinerary link to provide a web link or a mobile app link that you can attach and send to your clients, or you can send the email invite option. This is where you can type in your client's name or email address, choose to CC yourself, as well as include a custom message. Let's go ahead and do that. Saved messages are items that you can create directly within your library to help save yourself time and make sure that you have consistent messaging across all of your clientele. Once you're done, select Send Email. You can also do the same for any other items you include on your trip, including forms and decisions. When I select this decision, you'll notice I have a share option up at the right-hand side. And by selecting share, I can do the same thing where I can input my client's name or email, choose to CC myself, and attach any saved messages from my library before sending that off. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the sending options from within the itinerary builder. By selecting edit, up on the right-hand side, if I select the send button, I have those two options right within here as well. Again, the itinerary link options, as well as the email invite option. If I would like to customize a PDF, all I have to do is select the PDF button, and you'll see the different options available to you on what you would like to include in your PDF. The expanded option will always start a new day on a brand new page, while if you don't have expanded selected, the condensed PDF will fit as many days on one page as it can. The more items that you do select to include on your PDF, the longer your PDF will be. Let's go ahead and select a few of these. Once I select Create a PDF, it will start to generate it, and I can click this button to download it. As you can see, here is what a PDF would look like of this itinerary. Let's go ahead and go back into the itinerary builder, and by previewing this as a client, here's what they would see. They have the app option as well as the PDF option. PDF will provide them a condensed version or expanded version, and the app option will prompt them to input their email address to send them a magic app link to direct them on how to download the Trip Plans app. Now, this page is one that we do recommend sending to your client, which is tripplans.co. This is a page dedicated to other travelers where it will tell them a little bit more about the app, how to use it, the benefits of using it, along with videos and step-by-step instructions on making sure they can view their itinerary that you sent them within their mobile app. If you have any questions or your clients have any questions, again, always feel free to reach out to our support team at professional@travefy.com. Lastly, let's talk about collaborators. When you hit the send option, you'll see where you can select manage collaborators. This is where you can invite another individual to collaborate and edit a trip alongside you. All you need is their email, and if you want to include a custom message, you can before sending the email invite out to them. By accepting the email invite, they'll be accepting to edit this trip with you. If they do not have a Travefy account quite yet, they will be prompted to start a free trial. Let's go back to the trips page. Another way of viewing your collaborators or inviting them is by selecting the specific itinerary or proposal that you want to invite a collaborator to. You can select the People option and select the Collaborators tab. This is where you can see all the collaborators that you've invited on this itinerary with the option to invite even more. If you want to see all of your collaborators across all of the itineraries and proposals that you've included within your one trip, select the People option and you can select the Collaborators tab up here. But that's it. That's how you can send your trips to your clients, allowing them to view their professional and beautifully crafted trip that you created for them, along with how to collaborate with others. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of our Getting Started videos.